Hello. I want to make sure that everyone knows that you do not have to go into STEMscopes separately to assign assignments to your students. All of the assignments that are in STEMscopes can be added directly to Schoology within Schoology. So let's do an example just so you can see where to go and how to integrate them. So I'm going to go to the kindergarten folder here that I have in our elementary science professional development course. So if I click on kindergarten, it'll put me inside of my kindergarten folder. And you see I have already added a folder that's Introduction to STEMscopes, which is a brief video for the kindergarten teachers to observe. But here, if we go to Add Materials, I'm going to add an additional folder. And let's say that it'll be STEMscopes Practice. So I don't know which folder I want to remove later. And that's all I need to put right there. So we've created a folder. So now you see the folder has shown up down here at the bottom, and sorry for the people who I have, okay, let me unpublish it for a minute because I have people that are already assigned into this particular course. So let me click Add Materials again, but this time let me go into the folder that I just created, and then we'll click Add Materials. Well, this time instead of adding a folder, you'll notice there are two columns. You have the first column where you add assignments and things that are external of the page or from the website, and on the other side you have actual apps that you can add materials from. So here in this panel, not scrolling down all the way down through these resources, but in the actual Add Materials panel, on that second column, you'll click on STEMscopes. And what you'll notice is all the scopes that are in STEMscopes will appear, and you can scroll through to find the scope you want to use. Now, it's going to start off with the virtual learning scopes that were just created, but then as you scroll through, you can actually see that there's the Early Explorer, which is for pre-kindergarten, is intended for children from ages 3 to 5. And then if you scroll a little further, you'll see that it starts with the actual kindergarten TEKS. So each TEKS has a scope, just like in STEMscopes. It's the exact same thing that's in STEMscopes. So, of course, you know, I love earth science, so I'm going to choose something related to earth science because I just love it. So K.7 ABC relates to rock, soil, and water. So if I click on that, I'll see the 5 E's. So I have my essentials, I have engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. Intervention and acceleration. So our intervention would be for our students that are needing a little extra support and guidance, something that will help boost them. Those are our struggling students. And then we have acceleration for our advanced students, our GT students, to extend them beyond the basics. So, but I'm going to go to some things that I know I like. I like the science rock. I like the videos, the songs, those type of things. So if I click on Science Rock, I can actually preview the video so that I can see what it actually shows, what the song is, and etc. And then I can choose to submit the item. If I click Submit Item, the item is automatically added into the folder that I created. So now, if I publish the folder to the students would be able to open that video directly in STEMscopes. And this is the way that lessons and activities can be added into STEMscopes directly into Schoology, directly from STEMscopes without exiting the Schoology